How to send yourself a message on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, let's go ahead and open our Instagram application. Then make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. Now, in order to send ourselves a message, tap onto the messenger icon on your top right corner here. Then you'll see all of your chats. Now here, let's go ahead and send ourselves a message. Tap on the search bar icon here, then type in your username. Once you do so, you will see a profile. Tap onto it, and simply type in anything that you would like, then tap on send. Now come back, and as you can see that this being my profile, I can also message myself. Tap onto it, and you can also send photos or anything that you would like. Just like so. This is how you can do the same as well. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.